To shift the handling balance on this 2018 Mustang GT forward, we installed H&R's rear sway bar. The H&R rear sway bar includes new bushings, mounts, and all the necessary hardware. It's a direct replacement for the factory rear sway bar. The H&R sway bar bushings feature a Teflon lining that doesn't require any of that typical sticky grease that gets everywhere. Very cool. The OEM rear sway bar is 22 mm, and the H&R rear sway bar is 25 mm. Besides the 14% increase in diameter, the H&R rear bar features two stiffness settings. To install the H&R rear sway bar, we lowered and supported the exhaust system to gain better access to the rear sway bar bracket fasteners. We separated the end links from the sway bar. We knocked the nuts loose with an impact and then used hand tools to finish the job. Next, we removed the sway bar bracket bolts. With everything disconnected, we snaked the factory sway bar free from the chassis. We installed the H&R rear sway bar using the supplied bushings and hardware. To use the stiffer setting on the H&R rear sway bar, we had to flatten the tang on the forward side of the brake line bracket. We finished by torquing the nut to 85 pound-feet. Now, this Mustang rotates better with less understeer thanks to the stiffer H&R rear sway bar.